I teach mostly about modern Japan, that is late 19th century to today. One of the courses I teach is called Representations of Sexuality in Modern Japan. I start in the late 19th century when the nation state, the new modern nation state, discovers that sexuality is one of those things that need to be studied and subsequently managed and controlled. So the state and other entities in Japan throughout the modern period very much look at sexuality as something that the state and experts need to know about, but also that state agencies as well as other institutions begin to control and to manage and to exploit for all kinds of political goals. And this is one reason why I think sexuality needs to be studied historically, and sexuality and sexual culture is an important component of any culture, really. I begin by talking about abortion law. Japan had in 1949 one of the most progressive abortion laws that allowed women to have an abortion on the basis of socioeconomic grounds. We speak about a range of different kinds of sexualities, including, of course, non-normative sexuality, homosexuality. Japan had never a law that prohibited homosexuality. In fact, in pre-modern Japan, male-male sexuality was very common, particularly in the warrior class. We move on to discussing motherhood, for instance. What is modern about modern motherhood around 1900? It's very, very different from pre-modern notions of motherhood, very, very different from pre-modern ideals of motherhood. And in fact, when we look at young women today, many of them refuse to become mothers precisely because those modern notions of motherhood are still around and seem too demanding, too restricting to many young women today. We also speak about erotic culture and pornography, both in woodblock prints as well as in animation. And so the course makes really a number of points about the centrality of sexuality in any society in terms of how can we understand a society historically through its control and management and practice of sexuality.